everyone feeling?
Good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
Super duper.
First day done. Our is looking a bit rough. You look dead.
That's a good sign. That's a good night.
This is the boring one who went to bed early. Good morning. Darling, how are you? Post anniversary breakfast. 45 years. That's a lot. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey guys.
How's the ride feeling today?
Very good. Keep myself hydrated.
Look at her in your outfit. This is fancy. And you got another one for the pool, right? Yeah. Did you enjoy your night? All right. It was all very good. Are you ready for a pool party? Hey. How was your night?
Very good, yes.
Good. Can I say hi? Jeremy and Alison from Unknown Gal to me. You're in Shaka?
Oh, there's an individual.
Sweet.
Cricket has started early. Why is everyone so quiet?
Hungover.
Woo! Oh, what a shame. Charlotte, how are you still running? She's been on a run since like an hour ago. Girl, you can do this! She was dancing with me in like those shorts and now she's running. Really Hannah, Shara. We love her. Hannah has too many friends. Say hi! Say hi! Go!
Oh.
Oh, that kind of flopped, guys. It's time for the girl.
Practicing the Hindu, melting
Team
away.
Wedding Guru are doing amazing.
Yes, they are. TGW, shout out. Hello. This is where the pool party's happening later. Spoiler alert.
Let's go good. Is there an order you need them to like stand? Just a rough height order. Morning, Ravina.
Yeah?
You need to keep a gap.
Oh, a gap. So we're set with the VIPs. We're going to be baking tomorrow in our long Kanjipuram blouses. Just vlogging. This is Ashara.
Doing an amazing job.
Guru. Yeah, smashing it.
Don't know what we'll
Getting
be
us
doing.
all in order. Yeah, it's good.
I don't want to be with you.
Yeah, I don't want to match with you. What the hell? I want to stand out. Ravina keeps saying questionable things we're going to have to edit out. Stolen the wedding planner's hat, I think.
No, this is mine now.
Oh.
Well, Amma's.
Trying to avoid that tan. Amman looking very broken. Where are we going, guys? Somewhere. We bumped into Jay and we were like, where are you going? Because we needed him to come to the dance rehearsal. He's like, somewhere? He just froze.
There you go. Hold, nod, walk. Run away. Woo! Earring. What junka? So cute. Oh. Go, keep going. Up to that, on the other side, and cross. Hi.
You do put your hands up like that and then you put them down. Just do like some kind of
Look at
swap.
that. Wow. Go on, Miles. Come on, Jared, you got this. Come on, Renisha, put some sass into it. Woo! Smile. Nice. Go on. Yeah.
What I'm saying, I don't know why they got this.
Look in my mirror, a mirror staring back at me, staring back at me.
Yay! Okay. Hey! Okay, Jay. Sorry. Other Jay, not good. Party is beginning, and this is on the list for today. Barbecue party, ice cream, bar, foot massage, and shisha. People. How you feeling, Gru?
I'm good, bro.
Very Hello. How are you, Uncle? Feeling good? Relaxed?
Thank you.
Ooh, I'm so excited. We got the bar over there. Johnny, Auntie, how are you feeling? I don't want to leave now. Just, this is so good. Thanks, Anna and Gautami, for doing this. Oh my gosh, never would I think. Otherwise, chilling in Sri Lanka, getting a foot massage.
Hello! Welcome to the Poolside!
Looking so good, girl. This guy is getting a head and a foot massage. Are you enjoying that? What's better?
Yeah, got the feminine touch behind me.
Well, that's enough. This is PG on this YouTube.
Enjoy the pool!
Muffin, are you enjoying your day?
Having a great day.
So hot.
Not hungover. Great people.
Ooh, oh, they all sound really good. We have a kebab. Oh my god, that looks so yum. Oh. Hi, so cute. They're mini. Kebabos. Oh dear. Ooh, look at that fish. Seafood kebab. That's Sri Lankan style. Oh, French fries. And falafels. And fresh fruit. Look at that. Are you looking at it? Whoa! That's a big plate, baby, Andra.
Chulan chapadang happy.
On now, Gautami, Mark. Head chef Mark is the best. Woo! Pose girl!
Yes, it's
so
incredible.
good. We
You
can
look
see
amazing,
it's
by the way.
absolutely packed on this table. It's so good. So as you can see, some people really like the food. How was it, lunch?
It was good, but ice cream involved, so it just got better.
Can I have Iden? It's all over his face. You can tell he loves it.
This is the time you want to start recording.
How is it?
It's just a
there
bit
we go.
rude.
That seafood is really good. You can tell by the approving nods and this ice cream. I just got bullied about it, but it's so good. Shisha lounge over here. Uncle is enjoying his time.
Hey, guys.
It's our kids' table minus the penis stuff.
Fanning themselves, enjoying the shisha.
It's amazing.
Have you had your food?
No, I haven't eaten it
Well, you haven't eaten and it's still amazing.
I haven't told my mum.
Well,
Still
wait
I need
for
to
it.
eat.
Bride and groom are in pain. Mainly groom. I'm not sure why. What? We are vibing here. I'm on my second foot massage. How many have you had, mate? We'll go for the third. We'll go for the third. She's rocking the Jack Sparrow look tonight. Queen Auntie is in. Oh my god, what a vibe. Upper Papa's going for it. Ah! Gautami, what bad influence you are on my granddad?
Foins, as it has foins, it shows one look like two ropes because two ropes must have foins. Sometimes it has 5 ends, 6 ends. As it has 6 ends, anyway, I can show this one 2 rope thing. This is just a 1 rope thing.
No way. You get her out. You get it? Dermatologist.
Wow.
Oh! No! No! I just heard you say dermatologist and he's written it. I don't know what's happening.
That's crazy. Right. But going back to London, I don't like this country. Because I still didn't snap. If I snap my finger, no doubt the back down to the top.
Yeah.
And start the bottom portion of the back and I keep the top portion with 2 sets.
I'm slapping you right
In
now.
your hat. That's true. I don't know.
That makes no sense.
Oh my god. You should have said 81. You would have got it wrong. 81. 72 would have been good. He clearly had 71 on there. Big string.
Woo! Nice. Ayo. Nice. Go, go. The wedding planning, having fun playing their cricket. Do it, do it.
Whiskey's not really fun.
Mama.
Wow.
Oi! Auntie's getting ready for a competitive game of water polo. Yeah, she's going to score all the goals, right? She's going crazy.
That was a good throw. That's not bad.
Such cute romance.
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 Should have been there in Lithuania.
I don't want. Are you having a good pool party? Yes. Have you had a good time? Of course. Did you eat food? Did you enjoy the food? Absolutely, it was amazing. Did you have any drinks? Plenty. You can tell she's a bit minty. A little bit. And now, always a little bit. Now, Anna is trying his best to organise people and not very well. Calm area. Salute. Oh my god, am I
gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just searched the city with the cheap blood stainers. And we got adopted by some freak boy strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you.
Pool party was a hit. I'm much more just concerned about everyone's injuries.
Knock knock, who's there? Welcome to my humble abode. Let's go. Wow. My little one-bedroom apartment, everyone. I know. I am relaxing.
Why don't we all do siblings in
We can make ours a honeymoon suite.
Wait till you see how many mirrors I have in one bathroom. Literally.
Oh my god.
What the hell? How does one girl need so many mirrors?
I don't know when you're gonna have time for that.
I did say to Rohan, maybe he could sneak in. He's being a good boy. I know, it's so cute.
Oh.
Wow.
I don't know what I'm gonna do in here all by myself today. It's too big.
Is Marley not with you?
No, I want to keep it clean. She'll make it messy. And there's a little cute sunbed here as well.
There's a waste of a room.
Don't say that.
Have we lost Manja, Andy?
Oh my god.
And the best thing is I can watch Anda from the mandap here.
9:15. Jamaican tuna sandwich, prawns, beef burger, hanging out with Anna's friend. How was your pool party?
Sick.
Yeah, that's very good.
There we go. That's it. Okay, Fab, what are we playing?
Playing Wizard, amazing game that Thiago introduced to us. 13 blue, because Rovina's pretty bad at the game, so we need to
That's nice. What's
explain
my
the rules
score?
to her.
I haven't played yet.
That's proof that Fab messed up.
Good night, vlog.
Good night.
Yay. That was really lovely.